Hey everyone, it's Elaine. This is going to be a short and sweet video. It is just a follow-up on the prize that I gave for the fall collaborative I was in. My winner, her name was Cheryl Cruz. Well, she was kind enough to do a little video of what I sent her. Remember, she could pick one of the bottles on the beadboard, or she could have picked one of the furniture samples that either I had hooks on or it was a Tim Holtz like binder clip. Well, she chose the bottle that was kind of the creamy color board, and then she chose C, which was the clip. So anyhow, I'm going to stop this video and show you the video that she sent me. It is really adorable and I appreciated it so much. That girl has some skills. So when it finishes, I'll be right back. Pretty cool, huh? I told you Cheryl had some skills. So did you notice the blueprint paper? That's what I wrapped everything up in to send to her. I figured she could use that in a journal or use it in some tags or whatever. I thought she'd get some use out of that. And then the little sign at the end that said cutie, I made that out of a wooden blind sample and then with some wire and beads that I already had. Remember, this is my year that I'm trying to use what I have. So anyhow, thanks Cheryl for sending that to me, letting me know everything arrived safely and in one piece. I was a little concerned about the glass bottles. So anyhow, everybody, thanks for coming by. And I really did have fun on the collaborative and getting to show you some of my upcycled products that I've, put together. So thanks again. And I do appreciate everyone coming by. And I'll see you all down the road. Behave yourselves. Bye.